Hi everyone, today we are going to create a froze growth in Houdini. So let's start it. Take any geometry you want. I am using this frog. The first node will be our intersection analysis. After that, take a grid. Slightly adjust the size. Make sure the grid intersect with our geometry. Connect first input our grid and second will be our frog. We can see that the intersecting points. Then use the group node. Change group type to points and group name will be our edge. To create a mass, we need a temperature attribute. Let's accomplish this by using attribute wrangler node. Node will be our temperature. Create an attribute called temperature and value will be 1. Yeah, make sure to don't forget to give edge group. Next will be our simulation node. We are using pilot or spread. Before that, just merge our points with frog geometry. Then enable the visualizer for temperature attributes. And just set the cooling rate 0. Right now we don't need noise for this simulation, so remove this noise. Yeah, this one is fine. Next will be our color. Color type will be our RAM from attributes. And attribute will be our temperature. Just turn off the visualizer. Attach the null and this is our mass. Duplicate the color node and set the color to create a narrow white band should be appear. Then use the attribute promote node and change the attribute CD primitives to points. We will create a group. We will name it our start, which represent the white part of the scene. Group type will be points. In the base group, add this following text @cd.x is less than 0.1. And the group node will be our start. Then duplicate this group node and in this new node the text will be $n. Rename this group and we are going to use the find shortest path node for the top layer of the scene. And here the start point will be our start group and end point will be our end group. And the output path will be connect any start to each end. Here we need to change something. Go back to @cd.x is less than 0.1, change to greater than 0.1. Yeah, we got. This is our first layer of the scene. If you want to change or add more details, use the remesh node after the color node. So now we are going to create a second layer of the scene. Take the ISO offset and connect it to the first input for our frog. Increase the division increment up to 30. Now next node will be our scatter. The force count for my mesh will be 24. Then take a grid and decrease the size and increase the number of rows and column up to 30. Then use mountain node. Then add an attribute randomize node and setting the minimum value -1 and maximum value default. Then use copy to point node with the first input as the grid and second input as the points. In attribute randomize set the dimension to 4. In placement after the scatter. This is slicer for our geo. Then use the boolean node and set the operation to solid to surface. And connect the first input our frog geo. Here use the explode view to see our individual pieces. Something went wrong, make sure to set both A and B to surface. Yeah, this is what I want. Now use assemble node to create pack primitives. This will convert each individual pieces into pack primitives at each single points. Now we need the point jitter and transform pieces node. Connect the first input of the transform node to assemble node and connect the second input to point jitter node. The input of the point jitter node will be connected to the assemble node. Set the scale of the point jitter node to 0.015. Now use the blend shape node. Second node will be our transform from pieces. Connect first to assemble. Then connect the color node to our attribute transfer node to transfer the color attributes. The first input will be our assemble node and the output will be our first input of the plane shape. Here we obtain the attribute CD. In the blend shape, the blend masking is set from attributes. Then duplicate the attribute transfer and place it between these two nodes. The mask attribute will be our CD and remove the extra one. Now add attribute delete node to remove the non-selected attributes. Here we got freezing cracking effect on our geo. Then take a poly extrude node, set the mode to points normal. Adjust the distance approximately 0.01 and enable the output back. One thing we can do is remove the attribute deletes node and use the unpack node. Now add normals to our geo. Here we add offset between our first layer and second layer using time shift. $f minus 10 offsets duration between them is 10. Then take a attribute transfer node and connect the mask to the second input. Then take a attribute delete node and set the delete type to points group with the condition at cd.x is less than 0.1. Attach the null and rename it to second layer. In the first layer, use poly extrude node to extrude slightly. Must enable the output back. Mode will be our points normal. Now combine this layer using merge. Now take VDB from polygons node and set the voxel size 0.003. After that, take convert to VDB. Set from VDB to polygons. Thanks for watching. I hope you see you again.